Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Snapchat. Open the app and sign in if you haven't. Once done, make sure the app is updated to the latest version so features match these steps. You may be asked for permissions, grant contacts and storage so Snapchat can show certain activity details. Now tap your profile avatar in the top left to reach account settings. This first screen is where you begin locating your activity and logs. Once in your profile, tap the gear icon to open settings. This is where Snapchat stores privacy and data controls. Scroll to My Data or Privacy Center. This section lets you request a copy of your account activity or view available logs. If Snapchat asks for verification, complete it using your email or phone. This authenticates that you own the account and unlocks more detailed records. Stay patient while now request or view the data you need. In My Data, choose the export or specific categories like login history and download it after Snapchat emails the link. You can also check recent interactions via Search and Friends activity or review saved chats and story views for immediate logs. If something's missing, make sure the app is updated, clear the cache in settings, and retry. If that fails, contact Snapchat support with a screenshot and your request details to resolve missing activity records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.